The very first one, Atom. Atom is a free and open source text and source code editor for Mac, Linux, and Microsoft, with the support for the plugin written in the Node.js and embedded Git control developed by GitHub. Atom is a desktop application built using a web technology. Most of our extension packages have free software license and community build and maintains. Atom is based on the Electrons, a framework that enables cross-platform desktop application using a Chromium and Node.js. It is written in the CoffeeScript and Lace. Its developer call it as a hackable text editor for a 21st century. The next one, Beam. Beam is a highly configurable text editor built to make creating and changing any kind of text very efficient. It is included as BI with the most unique system and with Apple OS. Beam is rock stable and is constantly being developed to become even better. Some of the features are persistence, multi-level on tree, extensive plugin system, support for 100 programming language, powerful search and replace, integrate with many tools. Our third in the list, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free open source editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Some of the features are support for debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, snippet, code refactoring, and embedded Git. User can change the themes, keyboard shortcut, preferences, and install extensions that add additional functionality. Our fourth in the list, Notepad++. Notepad++ is a text editor and source code editor for use with the Microsoft Windows. It supports tab editing, which allows working with multiple open files in a single window. The project name comes from the C increment operator. Notepad++ is distributed as a free software. And the last one, Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a cross-platform source code editor with the Python application programming interface. It supports many programming languages and markup languages. Function can be added by your users with a plugin, typically a community build, and maintained under a free software license. Hope this video helpful to you, and write the comment below which text editor you have been using till now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you haven't been subscribed my channel yet, then go to the subscribe button, press it